Hi everybody, it's Terri Gaines. I'm going to show you how I altered the March 2018 Make Good Things Grow paper pumpkin kit. The kit has all the supplies to make 8 greeting cards and you get 8 beautiful envelopes. I also added the note cards and envelopes. There's 20 Whisper White note cards and envelopes, and the Wink Stella. Those were the only 2 things I added to the kit to make the projects I'm going to share with you. The kit has everything you need with the exception of an adhesive of your choice and a paper snips or a scissors. So in the kit, you're going to receive 4 cards that are printed with the rich raspberry, and it's white on the inside, and 4 of these beautiful die cuts. I applied the die cut on the rich raspberry card, and then I turned it over and I scored along the edge here with a stylus. What I would do is just place this down, run a stylus along the edge. You even get mini glue dots in your packet. Once you run the stylus along the edge, attach the mini glue dots, wrap them around. Your image will wrap around, and then you also receive about 3 yards of this beautiful rich raspberry ribbon. I've tied that in a bow and attached a mini glue dot on the back. And now what I've also done is take the Wink Stella. It's a brush marker with glimmer. So what I did was I just colored over all of the flowers to add a little bit of shimmer to those flowers and just have the flowers pop out. So 4 of the cards are made like that. You also receive the crumb cake card. On the outside, it's white on the inside. You'll receive 4 of these beautifully printed postcards with the roses on them. And this is more of that ribbon. I wrapped the ribbon around the postcard, tied it in a knot, and put dimensionals on the back. You will receive a generous amount of dimensionals in the kit. I've not even used half of the sheet that they provide you. So I put 6 dimensionals on there. That will go on that card front. In the kit, you're going to receive 4 of these beautiful die cuts. And I used one of the stamps in the kit, applied dimensionals on top of that, and that will get applied right like this for 4 of the cards in the packet. So that would be the 4 cards that you get in the packet. I included the note cards to make 20 additional cards. So I got 28 cards out of this pack. For this card, you receive the little postcard trimmed down. You have these cute little die cuts that you can stamp your image on. What I did was I put dimensionals on the back. You get a generous amount of pretty baker's twine. I wrapped that around, I threaded that through the hole. I'll wrap that around the postcard, attach it, tie a knot, take adhesive, put on the back, slip those down, slip that one down, this one up, and color in the flower with the Wink Stella to create 4 of these cards. So now we have 12 cards. In the packet, you're going to receive some adhesive strips. They're 2 different colors on the one page. I actually cut this in half because I was using it separately. And what I did was I took one of them, the pink one, and I cut it, and then as you can see here, I added it, part of it across the bottom, part of it across the right side on one card. Another card, I turned the orientation of the card, and both of those I stamped greetings. This one I've applied this way, kind of played around with which way I like best. So this 4th card can go either of those ways, or the 4th way that I haven't shown yet. So what I did was I put that on, adhered the leaves with adhesive, and popped up the flower with dimensionals and added the Wink of Stella. That will give you 4 additional cards. Then we have this strip left. You get 5 of these in the 2 different colors, and we'll use 4 each for the note cards. For this one, I trimmed it a little bit so it doesn't go completely across the card. It does fit to go completely across the card. I popped up the leaves and the flowers with dimensionals and stamped the greeting, and I colored in the flower with the Wink of Stella. You'll get 4 additional cards with that. So now we have 20 cards, 20 envelopes. Of that kit, we still have a few extra supplies and 8 note cards left. So I took and just used the pieces and made 8 simple note cards with the ribbon that was left, with the embellishments that were left, and came up with 8 real simple note cards. I will put these on my blog, createwithterrigaines.com, so you can see those. I'll put a picture. Along with the kit, you get the 8 envelopes. They're beautifully printed envelopes, and there's 4 with a flower design and 4 with just a beautiful design with some sentiments. And with these, you get brads and circles to attach those. And then what you would do is add your string to tie this shut. So these can be envelopes. With your 20 envelopes and 8 cards, we've got 28 cards, 28 envelopes. But another fun thing you can do with this is you can score 1/8 of an inch on each of the 3 sides of this envelope, and then score from this scalp down to this one, and then put your hand in here and gently crease those scores, and now you've created a little pouch that will fit the envelopes and note cards. So you can put probably 2 sets in, or you can put a note card in an envelope, or just the note card and a cute little gift. So I hope you have fun creating your projects with the March 2018 paper pumpkin. Have fun and visit my website for photos. Thank you. Bye-bye.